going on, guys? This is your girl Easy Breezy, and today we're back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Beauty Forever. They sent us this really pretty curly lace front wig, and it actually has purple highlights, and you can really see it when the hair is dry, but we wet it right before I recorded. But honey, you might see it through the installer at the end, and it's really pretty. And I'm gonna elaborate on the beginning of the video. So yes, I did post a post on Instagram that invited all girls with either alopecia or scalp burns or any type of hair damage where their hair can't grow. And I offered free installs, free wigs, and I feel like I love my content. You know, I love my content, I love my models, but I just feel like I had to expand a little bit and network with new people and, you know, just new energy. So I felt like this was the perfect opportunity to do that. And I'm really happy. And you guys say hey to Danny. And I also wanted to invite girls that had alopecia to my channel because I already have girls in my videos that have alopecia, but since a lot of people are ignorant to this autoimmune disease, they think that girls lost their hair because of wearing wigs, and that's not always the case. It's not because girls don't care about their hair, it's because they have no choice. So of course I want to spread awareness for alopecia so you guys can, you know a little bit more about it, because, you know, you don't see it often. A lot of girls cover it up. They don't talk about it. You know, it's, you know, it could be embarrassing for some people, you know, like girls' hair is their confidence. So, you know, as long as we're spreading light and we're encouraging our black girls and any girls that have alopecia, you know, I just feel like it's just better than tearing them down. All right, now for my curly hair, I really love using Cantu leave-in conditioner. It's a really thick hair lotion that keeps the curl in for a long time, keeps your curls looking really juicy and wet for a long time. So I add a lot of that. Sometimes I use tropical root setting foam on top of that so it can really hold the curls even more. But today I'm just going to use the leave-in conditioner and y'all will see exactly how it transforms the hair. Yup, that's it.
Oh, girl. Do you see me? I'm on the beach.
No, period, sis. All right, so Danny told me she wanted some really fly baby hair, so that's exactly what we're gonna give her.
Oh, girl. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm supposed to have edges, okay? Get into it. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's cute.
Do you see this? You gonna die when you see the zoom in. Do you see this?
That's cute. Yeah, that's cute. All right, so you guys already know I gotta be a little extra. Okay. Gotta add my little easy breezy touch. So I'm gonna add some rhinestones to the hairline. Bling bling. Every time I come around, I say that bling bling. Pick a rain worth about 50 bling bling. Every time I buy a new ride, bling bling. Lorenzo, you're gonna die, bling bling.
Oh my God. OMG, look at me. I'm a goddess. Y'all, oh, 2020 ain't ready for me.
Honey, you right.
I love this. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it.
Yay!
Thank you. I love this. Get into this baby hair. Oh, oh, oh. She cute. She cute. I'm going to Miami right now. Take me to Miami. I'm on the beach. I got edges. I'm on the beach with rhinestones.
Girl, you is cute and you know it. So once again, thank you so much Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video with this lovely curly lace front wig with the purple highlights. Okay, I'm starting to see them now. So if you guys are interested in getting this exact wig, make sure you check the description below. Thank y'all so much for watching and I'll see y'all later.